Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
This is a gorgeous 57 Chevy. Outstanding paint, chrome, trim, glass, wheels. I mean, it's a good looking car. You go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get all the pricing and specs and photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred others. They're all for sale. They're all collector cars. That's at volocars.com. But for right now, why don't you come with me and let's go for a spin in this 57 Chevy. I sold this car 2-3 years ago to a customer of ours, an elderly man that likes to get a different car every few years. He's been really happy with it. The paint on this car is outstanding. Now he went ahead and he put all new smoked glass. It's all new and all new trim. This has all been replaced. So the car is literally show quality on the exterior. We'll get to the interior in a minute. But polished torque thrust wheels with performance tires. And if you notice behind the wheels, there's drilled and slotted disc brakes at all four corners. But all of this trim is done. The lenses, the emblems, it's all redone. There's where you put gas in the car. And again, all this is new. This is Bel Air trim right here. And the moldings, what a difference that makes. And this is smoked glass, new fuzzy window seals here, door handles, all the trim, the mirror, the windshield, it's all new. And this is like a mirror. It's such a sharp looking burgundy metallic color where the lights hitting it is just sparkles, and it is absolutely straight. There's no bubbles, there's no waves, there's no rust. It's a fantastic body. This paint's at least 5 years old. It looks like it was sprayed yesterday. Up here, look at the chrome is just gleaming. This fits real nice, which for some reason on a 57 Chevy, I see a lot of times where they do not fit. This is all new and it's beautiful. It's a 350 motor. It's got aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor, HEI ignition system, chrome alternator. It's got new power brake system, new master, new lines, and like I said, it's four-wheel disc. Upgraded aluminum radiator, and the interior is real nice as well. Nice firm cushions in the seats. It's all upholstered really nicely. Seats, door panels, they all match. New seat belts, new carpet, embroidered floor mats in here. Even little Chevy emblems on the seat belts. Trunk compartment's rock solid. It's empty. You can buy a mat. You can have it carpeted, whatever you prefer. But this is all painted. The jambs painted real nice. New weather strip. And it's solid in there. It's got a tilt wheel. It's got the 57 Chevy steering wheel, but it's a little bit smaller. The dash area is very nice. There's a gauge cluster down below the dash. It's got some nice pedals. The headliner's new with no wrinkles. The visors are new. They match the headliner. Got sway bar, new shocks, a Flowmaster exhaust. It's a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Looks like the window cranks and handles and armrests are new. The weather strips are new. The paint, this is show quality paint. This is equivalent to a $15,000 paint job. Car sits real nice. Sounds like it has a gear drive, timing gears. That's a nice idle, not over the top, but definitely you can tell it's a hot rod. Again, when I sat in the seats, they feel nice and firm. They're not broken. So a super nice 57 Chevy. Everyone likes 57 Chevy. It's a classic hot rod. It's timeless. And this is a really nice example based on what I see them available for, what I've been selling them for. This is a really good deal. This one will not last long. So go to volocars.com, check it out. Plenty of ways on there to contact us if you have questions about the car, financing, shipping. That's at volocars.com. Let us know how we can help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos on these awesome cars as we put them out there. So thanks for watching, and come back for more.